Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Search Institute. Today I am going to start exercise 2.1 chapter 2 from whole numbers. Okay. This exercise we are going to use all the things which I have taught you in the previous video, all the basic things about successor, predecessor, what is whole number, about the use of number line for the addition, subtraction and multiplication. So the first question of the exercise, it is given that write the next three natural numbers after 10999. We have to write down next three natural numbers after 10999. What are natural number? All the counting number which starts from 1 are called as natural number. So we have to find out next three natural numbers after this. So already I taught you about successor. Successor means next number. Suppose successor of 5 is plus 1 6. Successor of 7 is plus 1 8. So we are adding. Similarly here also we will add 3 times to get the next three natural number. 3 बार 1 1 ऐड करना है ताकि इसके नेक्स्ट नेचुरल नंबर को हम निकाल सके. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट नेचुरल नंबर इज just add 1 with 10999. So we will get 1 plus 9 0 1 carry 0 1 carry 0 1 and 1. So 11,000 is the first natural number. Okay, this is the first natural number. Okay, now second natural number. For second natural number again we will add. For second natural number we will find out the successor of this. Okay, so the successor of 11,000 is, just add 1 here, we will get 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, that means 11,001 is the second natural number. Okay, now the third natural number is, what you will find out? Find the successor of this. इसका successor निकाल लेंगे तो third natural number आ जाएगा. That is 11,001 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 carry 0 carry 1 1 carries. Okay, so this is the third natural number. Okay, this is the second natural number. Okay, getting? So to find out three natural numbers we are adding 1 3 times. 1 को 3 बार जब हम ऐड करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में हमें 3 natural numbers मिल जाएंगे. Okay, so the three natural numbers are, what are the three natural numbers? 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002. Okay, these are the three natural numbers of 10,999. Getting? Next question. Now question number 2. In question number 2 it is given, write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Okay, what are whole numbers? Already we have studied. Whole numbers are those numbers which start from 0. Okay, the numbers which start from 0 are called as whole number. All counting numbers are called as whole number. So we have to find out three whole numbers occurring just before this. Just before this means उससे थोड़ा पहले. That means we have to find out three whole numbers. इससे पहले के 3 whole numbers हमें निकालने हैं. Okay, we have to find out three whole numbers which come just before this. Okay, so just before means what we were doing? Whole number just before 10 is 9 because 10 minus 1 is 9. Whole number just before 15 is 14 because 15 minus 1 is 14. So that means we are finding out the predecessor. Okay, just subtract 1 to get the predecessor and the result will be your whole number. Okay, so we will solve this. So the first whole number just before this, that is 10,001, is, subtract 1 here. So 1 minus 1 is 0 0 0 0 and 1. So we got 10,000. 10,000 is the first whole number just before 10,001. Okay, this is the first whole number. Second whole number is, just subtract 1 again from the result, just before 10,000. Okay, just before 10,000, 10,000 से पहले, that is subtract 1, carry 1 here, from carry 10 here, it will become 9, 9, 9, and this will become 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 9, 9 and 9. So 9,999 is the just before whole number of 10,000. Okay. Third, this is second whole number. Third whole number just before 9,999 is, we will subtract 1 here. 1 subtract करने से इसके पहले का whole number हमें मिल जाएगा. 9 minus 1 is 8, 9, 9 and 9. This is the third whole number just before 9,999. Okay, so the three whole numbers, so the three whole numbers just before 10,001 are, three whole numbers we got, that is 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998. So these are the three whole numbers just before 10,001. किसी भी होल नंबर का जस्ट बिफोर निकालना है, आप 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लीजिए. किसी भी होल नंबर का आफ्टर निकालना है, 1 ऐड कर देंगे. दैट इज सक्सेसर, दिस इज प्रेडिसेसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इट इज गिवन which is the smallest whole number. Which is the smallest whole number? So first of all I will write which is the smallest whole number. As I told you already, the definition of whole number, that all the counting numbers which start from 0, are called as whole number. Okay, all the counting number which start from 0 are called as whole number. Examples are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dotted. So from this you can easily able to find out what is the smallest whole number. So the answer for this question will be, the smallest whole number is the smallest whole number is 0, because all the whole number they start from 0 onwards. So the smallest whole number is 0. 0 is the answer for this question. Okay, next question. Number 4, it is given that how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. We have to find out how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. कितने whole numbers आते हैं 32 और 53 के बीच में. Okay, so the answer is, we know all the counting numbers are called as whole number. So from 32 to 53, how many numbers are there, that we will write first, then we will count how many whole numbers are there. So whole numbers between 32 and 53 are, 32 और 53 के बीच के whole numbers हैं 33, 34, 35, 51 and 52 is the last whole number which comes before 53. We have to write down the number of whole numbers comes in between 32 and 53. Now we will just count. So the total whole numbers present between 32 and 53 is equals to, we will just count and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 whole numbers. So there are 20 whole numbers present between 32 and 53. सिर्फ 20 whole numbers हैं 32 और 53 के बीच में. Okay, except 32 and 53. We have to find out how many whole numbers occur in between 32 and 53. Okay, next question. Now question number 5. In question number 5 it is given, write the successor of 1 2 3 4. We have to find out the successor of these all 4 numbers. Okay, successor means we are just adding 1. हर नंबर में 1 ऐड करेंगे और उसका सक्सेसर निकालेंगे. वेरी इजी. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग द आंसर. आई थिंक यू नो द आंसर ऑलरेडी. द सक्सेसर of 2440701 is, just add 1 here, 20704442. Okay, so the successor of this number is 2440702. We have added 1. Next, again the successor of this number, that is 100199. Just add 1 here. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 plus 9 is 0, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 0 0 1. Okay, so the successor of 100199 is 100200. Okay, we have added 1 to the number and the result is the successor. Okay, हर नंबर में 1 ऐड करेंगे उसका सक्सेसर निकालने के लिए. Now again the successor of 105 times 9 it is given. Okay, 105 times 9 it is given, 5 times 9 it is given. We will just add 1 to this number. Just add 1 here. 9 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 0, again 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 0, 10, 1 carry, 1 and 1. So the successor of this number is 11 and 5 zeros. Okay, so the successor of this number is this. Next, last question. The successor of 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 0. So the successor of this number is, I think already you have done before me. Just add 1 here. 1 plus 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So easy. So the successor, to find out the successor, it is very easy. Just add 1 to the number, the result is the successor. Okay, next question. Now question number 6. In question number 6 it is given, write the predecessor of. So like the previous question we have find out successor. In this question we will solve for predecessor. Okay, what is predecessor? If we will subtract 1 from any number we will get its predecessor. Okay, so similarly we will solve here the first question. The predecessor of 94, subtract 1 here. Okay, 94 minus 1 is 93. Okay, so the predecessor of 94 is 93. Subtract 1 from each number, you will get its predecessor. Second, the predecessor 10,000. Subtract 1 here again. Okay, subtract 1 here, you will get the predecessor. 0, 10 will be here. 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 9. Carry. This is 9 again. Carry. This became 9 because 1 we have carried there. Okay, so bring 9 here. So 9,999 is the predecessor of 10,000. Next, the predecessor of 208090. Okay, we will find out the predecessor of 208090. Subtract 1 here, it is 9. Carry 1 from here, it will become 10. This became 8. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 as it is. 0 8 0 2. This is the predecessor of 208090. We are subtracting 1 from each number, the result is the predecessor. Okay, once again last bit. The predecessor of 765 4 3 2 and 1. Okay, we will find out the predecessor of 765 4 3 2 1. I think you have already solved. Subtract 1 to the number, you will get your answer. 1 minus 1 is 0. All the numbers will be as it is. So the result of this number is 7650320. So it is very easy to find out the predecessor of any number. You just subtract from 1, you just subtract 1 from any number, the result will be the predecessor. Okay, next question. Now question number 7. In question number 7 it is given, in each of the following pairs of numbers state which whole number is on left. Okay, which whole number is on left of the other number on the number line. Also write the appropriate sign. Okay, also write the appropriate sign between them. So there are two whole numbers it is given in the question. We have to write the appropriate sign in between them, and also we have to tell that which whole number will come on the left of the other. Okay, so as I taught you about the number line, that 0 will come in the center, this side all the numbers are positive, and this side all the numbers are negative. Okay, this side all the numbers are positive, this side all the numbers are negative. This is taken as right side, this is taken as left side. Okay, so these are the right side number, this side all the numbers are containing left side numbers. Okay, so first of all we have to tell which number is greater, either which number is smaller, then we can able to say that the smaller number will come on the left of the bigger number. Okay, like this is 4, this is greater, suppose 2, this is smaller, so smaller number is on left of bigger number or greater number. Okay, smaller number is always on the left of greater number. That's why first of all we have to tell which number is greater. Okay, so in this question it is very easy to tell which number is greater, and I think you also know which one is greater, but still I am going to explain how to identify which number is greater. First of all, always count the number of digit. Here how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. Okay, here number of digits are 3, here also number of digits are 3. If in any case the number of digit in one of the side 3 and on the other side it is given 4, so obviously number of 4 digit will be greater. Getting? First of all you count how many number of digits are there. Okay, then you tell that which is greater, which is smaller. हमेशा number of digits count कर लेंगे, उसके बाद बताएंगे कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है छोटा है. जिस साइड ज्यादा नंबर रहेंगे, डिजिट्स ज्यादा रहेंगे, उस साइड के नंबर बड़े होंगे. Okay, so here now tell me the first number. This is 5, this is 5, both are equal. Okay, now the second number is here 3, here 0, so which one is greater? Obviously 3 is greater than 0, so definitely this number is greater than 503. Okay, so this sign will come. Okay, remember that the tail will be always pointing towards the greater number and the head will be pointing towards the smaller number. Okay, the head will be pointing towards the smaller number and the tail will be pointing towards the greater number. So 530 is greater than 503. Now which number is on the left side? So 503 is on the left side of 530. Okay, so 503 will be on left side of 530 because this is smaller. जो नंबर छोटा होगा वो लेफ्ट साइड में होगा, जो नंबर बड़ा रहेगा वो राइट साइड में रहेगा. ओके, सेकंड बिट. इन सेकंड बिट इट इज गिवन 370,307. Okay, 370,307. So first of all we will find out which one is greater, which one is smaller. So I have written both the number. So I wrote both the number. Now we will count the number of digit. 1 2 3. Here 3 digits are there. 1 2 3. Here also 3 digits are there. Now we will identify the digit from the number. Both are 3. Both the first numbers are 3. So both are equal. Now the second number, here it is 7, here it is 0. So which one is greater? 7. Definitely 7 is greater. So tail will be pointing towards the greater number and head will be pointing towards the smaller number. So 370 is greater than 307. So which number is smaller? 307 is smaller. 307 is on the left side of 370. Okay, so 307 will be on the left side of 370. Okay, next bit. Question is given 98765 56789. Okay, so first of all we will tell which number is greater. Okay, so I am writing both the numbers here. I have written both the numbers here. Now we will count the digit 1 2 3 4 5. Here 5 digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5. Here also 5 digits are there. Okay, now the first number. Here the first number is 9. Here the first number is 5. So obviously 9 is greater than 5. So tail will be pointing towards greater number and head will be pointing towards the smaller number. So which number is on the left of the other number? So 5 6 7 8 9. This number is on the left side of 98765. Okay, very easy. You just identify which number is greater, which number is smaller. Always the smaller number will be on the left side of the bigger number. Okay, next bit. Now fourth bit. In the fourth bit it is given 9830415. In the fourth bit it is given 9830415 and 1002301. Okay, so first of all we will check which number is greater. So I am writing both the numbers here and 1002301. So I have written both the numbers on the board. Now we will count the number of digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here 7 digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 8 digits are there. On left side 7 digits are there. This side 8 digits are there. So which number is greater? Number of digits are more, that number will be greater. So tail will be pointing towards the greater number and head will be pointing towards the smaller number. So the answer is this number is on the left side of 1002301. Okay, so this number will be on left side of this number, getting, because this is smaller than this number. Okay, now next question. Now question number 8. In question number 8 it is given which of the following statements are true and which are false. We have to tell which of the statements are true and which are false. There are some bits given in this question. Okay, so the first question it is given 0 is the smallest natural number. It is asking 0 is the smallest natural number. I have given you the definition of natural number, that all counting numbers are called as natural number which starts from 1. Okay, so the first natural number is 1. That means the smallest natural number is 1. Before this we don't have any number in the natural number. So the smallest natural number is 1, but the statement is asking 0 is the smallest natural number. So it is false, because 0 is not a smallest natural number. Okay, the smallest natural number is 1. So this statement is false. Second, in the second statement it is asking 400 is the predecessor of 399. We have to tell whether 400 is the predecessor of 399. I have already taught you predecessor means minus 1 we will find out. Okay, so minus 1 of 399 is 398. Okay, so the predecessor of 399 we got 398. That means this statement is false. Okay, because 400 is not a predecessor of 399. 398 is the correct answer. So this statement is false. Next, C. 0 is the smallest whole number. It is asking whether 0 is a smallest whole number. So we know what is a whole number. All the counting number which start from 0 are called as whole number. So the smallest whole number you can easily able to see, that is 0. Yes, 0 is the smallest whole number. So it is true. Okay, this statement is true because the smallest whole number is 0. Next bit. In this question it is given 600 is the successor of 599. We have to tell whether 600 is the successor of 599. Okay, what do you mean by successor? When we will add 1, the result we will get as successor. Okay, so I am adding 1 with 599, 9 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 0, 1 carry, this will become 6. So yes, 600 is the successor of 599. So that means this statement is true. Getting? So whenever it will ask successor predecessor, you just add or subtract and get the result. Okay, next, all natural number. Next, all natural number are whole number. It is asking whether all natural number are whole number or not. Okay, we will see. What are natural number? Natural number means which start from 1 are called as natural number. What are whole number? Whole number means which start from 0 are called as whole number. Okay, it is asking whether all natural number are whole number. Yes, all natural number are whole number, because inside whole number all the natural numbers are present. Okay, inside the whole number you can able to see 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are natural number and only 0 is extra. So that means all the natural numbers are whole number. सारे natural number whole number के अंदर आते हैं. That's why natural numbers are whole number. Okay, so it is true. Okay, getting? So it is true. Next bit. In the next bit, question is given, all whole numbers are natural number. It is asking whether all whole numbers are natural number or not. Okay, so whole numbers are 0 1 2 3 4 and natural numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 dotted. Okay, it is asking whether all whole numbers are natural numbers. We know that from 1 to all numbers are natural number, but 0 is not a natural number which contain in whole number. Okay, 0 is the extra number which comes in whole number. That means all the whole numbers are not natural number. From 1 onwards all the numbers are natural number, but 0 is the extra number which is not a natural number, which comes only in whole number. That's why this is false. Okay, that all whole numbers are not natural number. Only from 1 onwards all the numbers are natural number, 0 onward all numbers are whole number. So 0 is not present in natural number. That's why all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Okay, next, the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit. Okay, it is asking the predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit. We will just check. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. Okay, the smallest 2-digit number is 10. I will find out the predecessor of this. 10 minus 1 is 9. Is it a single digit or double digit? It is a single digit. So it is asking the predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit, but this is false, that we got a single digit. So this statement is false, because the predecessor of 2-digit number also can be single digit number. Okay, but it is asking it cannot be, it never be a single digit. कोई भी 2 डिजिट का प्रेडिसेसर सिंगल डिजिट नहीं होना है, लेकिन जब हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो एक सिंगल डिजिट आ रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट, 1 is the smallest whole number. Okay, 1 is the smallest whole number. You know the answer. The smallest whole number is 0. Okay, the smallest whole number is 0. So 1 is not a smallest whole number. So this statement is false. Okay, this statement is false. Next question. In the next question it is given the natural number 1 has no predecessor. Okay, it is asking whether 1 has no predecessor. Okay, first of all we will find out the predecessor. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. It comes in whole number. Okay, 0 only comes in whole number. It does not appear in natural number. So yes, the statement is true that it has a predecessor, but this predecessor does not count in natural number. Okay, so it is asking the natural number 1 has no predecessor. The natural number 1 has no predecessor means natural number 1 का कोई predecessor नहीं है, क्योंकि वो 1 माइनस करेंगे तो 0 आ रहा है, जो कि सिर्फ होल नंबर में है, नेचुरल नंबर में काउंट नहीं होता है. दैट्स व्हाई नेचुरल नंबर 1 हैज नो प्रेडिसेसर. इट इज ट्रू. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द होल नंबर 1 हैज नो प्रेडिसेसर. इट इज आस्किंग वेदर द होल नंबर 1 हैज नो प्रेडिसेसर. जस्ट नाउ वी हैव सॉल्व्ड 1 minus 1 is 0 and it comes in whole number. Okay, so it is asking whether the whole number 1 has no predecessor. Yes, it has a predecessor, but it is saying that it has no predecessor. So this statement is false, because 0 is a predecessor of 1 and it comes in whole number. Okay, so the statement is wrong. Okay, now next bit, the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. It is asking whether 13 lies between 11 and 12. Okay, first of all, there is no number comes in between 11 and 12, and next is 13 comes after 12. Okay, it is asking the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. So 13 comes after 12, it does not come in between 11 and 12. So this statement is also false. Okay, this statement is also false. Next question. In the next question it is given the whole number 0 has no predecessor. Okay, the whole number 0 has no predecessor. Okay, 0 minus 1, what we will get? If I will find out the predecessor of 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, and this minus 1 does not come in whole number, because all the whole number starts from 0 onwards. All the whole number starts from 0 onwards. Negative numbers are not present in whole number. That's why the whole number 0 has no predecessor. True. Okay, 0 has no predecessor in whole number. Okay, next, the successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. Okay, it is asking the successor of 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. Let's check. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number, because before this 9 is 1-digit number. So 10 is the smallest 2-digit number, plus 1 is 11. Okay, so when we are adding 1 with the smallest 2-digit number and we are getting a 2-digit number, so we will never get a 1-digit number when we will add 1 to any 2-digit number, because less than this is 9, that is 1 digit, that is 1 digit. Okay, so first 2-digit number is 10 plus 1 is 11. Yes, it is a 2-digit number. So the successor of any 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. So this statement is true. Okay, कोई भी 2-digit number का successor जब हम निकालेंगे वो हमेशा ही एक 2-digit number ही आएगा. Okay, so this statement is true. So this statement is true. Thank you all of you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you might have understood whatever I have explained. If you have any queries, you can ask me in my comment box. Okay, subscribe my channel. Thank you all of you.